Why don't senior citizens use low-cost cleaning services near me? Because they say, why pay to sweep when you can shuffle for free? And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on low-cost cleaning services for seniors near me. Tip 1. Research local non-profit organizations. Many charitable organizations offer affordable cleaning services tailored to older adults. They understand the unique needs and budgets of seniors and can provide great cost-effective options. A simple internet search can help you find these organizations in your area. Tip 2. Ask for senior discounts. Some businesses offer discounts for senior citizens, including cleaning services. Don't be afraid to ask about possible discounts when researching and contacting cleaning services. This could lead to significant savings over time. Tip 3. Look into government assistance programs. There are numerous government programs at federal, state and local levels designed to assist seniors with various costs, including cleaning services. For instance, Medicaid often covers home care services, and local area agencies on aging, ADA, might provide resources or referrals to low-cost services. Tip 4. Use online platforms. Websites like care.com or Handy are platforms where you can find professional, vetted cleaners at competitive prices. People often rate and review the cleaners, providing a vetting system which can be used to find someone reliable and affordable. Tip 5. Consider hiring an individual. Hiring an individual cleaner, as opposed to a professional service, could have financial benefits. However, be sure to check references and have a clear agreement of what cleaning tasks are included in their services. Tip 6. Group services with neighbors. More than one home can be cleaned on the same day in your neighborhood. You may be able to negotiate a group rate that is lower than if you each hired separately. This could not only help save money, but also create a sense of community. Tip 7. Opt for less frequent cleans. Rather than having weekly cleaning, you might consider fortnightly or monthly options. This reduces the overall cost and still ensures the home is kept in a good state. Tip 8. Seek referrals and recommendations. Word of mouth can be a fantastic way to find affordable cleaning services. Friends, family or neighbors, particularly other seniors, may be able to recommend reliable, low-cost options in your area. Tip 9. Look for training institutions. Cleaning organizations often train up-and-coming professionals by having them clean homes at a reduced price. The work is usually supervised to ensure good quality. Tip 10. Be clear about your needs. Be specific about what cleaning tasks you need assistance with. Some services may cost more than others, so focusing only on your required needs will avoid paying for unneeded services. Tip 11. DIY where possible. A good way to save is by doing some easier tasks yourself or with the help of friends or family. This way, cleaning services will only need to focus on more demanding chores, reducing the overall cost.